Then what you said to me? Lord, Mrs. Yes, for me, Christmas was very good. I cannot complain. When I tell you, say God is good, Him is good indeed. Me say, Mrs., I hate everything that I see inside. And yummy oxtail, and yummy roast pork, and yummy curry goat. All one sitting, one red sitting where they look, they say a hammer, something like that. I look pink inside, but me near me same way. But one thing I tell you, you see when I done, my belly cut me, you know. Me have to run go round the back and go cut it 2 mint bush where me have round the black mint and the broadleaf one, and me boil little tea and me mix them together. Me not even put no sugar in there. And I say I drink that, and when I drink it, Lord, I tell you, I feel like everything off of me stomach just come off and me feel good again. That's why me love for me bush them, you know. No, sir, I never get a cake this Christmas. Because what happened, you see, through the inflation, enough people no bother baking, because your fruit, they're very expensive, you know. Then Miss Griselda happy, because you know, say, if me get cake, me da share it with you. No, man. I mean, you come from so far. No, man. All me there, I do right now. What you mean why me mouth a true so? A true fried dumpling. Me just don't make because to me have done them in cook dumpling yesterday. And he left over, you know how we love fry over a dumpling them and that me there munch pan. What you say, you go pop by here later? No, sir. Me not go there, you know. Me have a run go up a bush now. Go pick the rest of cereal with me have. Because me hear say Master Charlie, me go up, so me go give him some for give me son up a Canada. But you fit happy man, cause you know say if me dey get cake, me da share it with you. Me and you no lip so. Happy man. But anyway, me I get ready for step out here now. So it would be a better time you come tomorrow. Alright, you have a good evening and God bless you. Alright, ma'am. Okay. After me can't afford to share a little cake when me get with Miss Griselda. Look here, from me getting me just a munchy and see the way reach. If me go give her a piece of this, you know. No, sir, it can't work.